Hey there, welcome to our channel. And if you want to know that how to change resolution on Toshiba TV, so you are at the right place. So here you'll find the Toshiba TV resolution settings, where you can just go to your TV settings by tap on your home button or your settings gear icon, and where you will find the display and sounds. But you can just check the current resolution by just press the info or display button on your Toshiba remote. The resolution will appear on screen. Now step 2 is adjust aspect ratio. If the picture looks stretched or cut off, or just adjust the aspect ratio, press menu and go to the picture settings and then select aspect ratio. So you could find these four type of aspect ratio, like auto, the best for most content, and 16 is to 9 that are standard widescreen, are 4 is to 3 for older shows, and zoom for enlarges the image. So if you have selected one of these two aspect ratios, so I recommend you to switch it to 16 is to 9 or to the auto. So just because of you, we we are mostly watch the most modern content on the modern, and the most standard aspect ratio is this two option here. So choose the best settings for your content. Then the step 3 is change resolution for external devices. Toshiba TV's auto adjust resolution based on the input device to increase quality and change the settings on your device. For gaming consoles, go to the settings and display, then go to the display and select the highest resolution. And for cable boxes or the streaming devices, so you just need to go to the navigate to the settings and display resolution. Then you'll find the option that you can choose it to 1080p or 4K if your device support it. Then the step 4 is enable HDMI enhanced mode for 4K models only. On 4K Toshiba TVs, enable HDMI enhanced model for the best quality. So you have to go to the settings, then go to the inputs. After that, you will find the HDMI mode. You just need to turn it on, so you can just get the HDMI enhanced mode. So that's how you can just change the resolution on Toshiba TV. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.